the first round of Top Fuel.
In the far lane is the clear favorite, and he's rocketed into a decisive lead. But out of nowhere comes veteran racer Sonny Moon. Initially trailing by a wide margin, he pushes it to the limit, crossing the finish line at more than 160 miles per hour. His throttle is stuck at full, and he's no longer the driver. He's a passenger. And this hydro is on a collision course with the lakeshore. When the boat hits the beach, it's launched 3 stories into the air and goes ripping straight through the power lines, causing a total loss of power to the surrounding areas. The camera is forced to stop, and the footage ends. Hidden within the boat's massive rooster tail, Sonny bails out a split second before his craft flies out of the water. The throttle and accelerates to 138 miles per hour. But as he takes the turn, their desire to win changes to a fight for survival.
That is absolutely massive.
The 10,000-pound powerboat catches a wake left by competitors. The $2 million vessel flips violently, smashing the right side of the hull and submerging the 2 pilots. And he's off.
Dude, he's off.
At over 140 miles per hour, his boat flips end over end. And Hank is shot out onto the water. The boat is destroyed, but worse, Hogan is nowhere to be seen. David Ferguson is racing in the International Hot Boat Association Championships when he catches air and loses control.
Red light, red light.
As the mist clears, the $50,000 boat is completely obliterated. Tiny fragments litter the water.
Rescue only, please.
Of an event in San Diego, California. David gets a great jump out of the gate. Unaware that he's in for an easy win, he once again pushes his boat to the breaking point. Tiny fragments litter the water, and again David is left inside the Kevlar-lined and steel-reinforced capsule, his fate unclear as he bobs in the waves. The boat is reduced to fiberglass shards as David, inside the capsule, goes careening across the water. As the Coast Guard approaches a large tour boat to turn them away, a small boat races across the water. But they are distracted by the passengers aboard the tour boat. And they're on a direct collision course. Only one boater can be seen in the water. Moments later, the second boater appears.
Now. They put too much in there. Holy moly.
The brute force of the explosion actually launches a team member above the canopy of the vessel. And a piece of flying shrapnel barely misses the cameraman.